Welcome to your coding journey.
Starting to code is exciting, but having the right environment is crucial for success. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up your workspace with essential tools. From code editors to command line basics, these steps will help you feel comfortable, organized, and ready to start building anything you can imagine.
Choosing a code editor.
A code editor is where you write and manage your code. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. Look for features like syntax highlighting, code suggestions, and extensions. Visual Studio Code is highly recommended for beginners due to its simplicity and powerful features. Install your preferred editor and get familiar with its layout.
Getting comfortable with the terminal.
The terminal, or command line, lets you interact directly with your computer's operating system. This tool is important for running scripts, installing software, and managing files. Beginners can start with the terminal included on their system, Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows, Terminal on Mac or Linux. Practice basic commands like navigating folders and creating files.
Version control, saving your progress.
Version control systems like Git help you track changes in your code and collaborate with others. Install Git on your computer and create a free GitHub or GitLab account to store your projects online. Learning basic Git commands such as commit and push will keep your projects organized and safe from accidental loss.
Additional essential tools.
As you progress, you'll need tools like package managers, for example, NPM for JavaScript or PIP for Python, to add software libraries easily. Consider installing a code linter, which checks your code for errors in real time. Many developers also use split-screen setups or dual monitors to view documentation while coding, helping you work more efficiently.
Creating a productive workspace.
Beyond software, set up a workspace that helps you focus. Choose a comfortable chair and desk, ensure good lighting, and keep your area tidy. Take regular breaks and organize your files and folders clearly. A well-arranged environment makes coding more enjoyable and helps you develop better habits from the start.
Ready, set, code.
With these tools and strategies in place, you're ready to start coding with confidence. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Explore, experiment, and don't be afraid to ask questions. As you keep learning, your environment will grow with you and help you achieve your coding goals.